knew something was different. I'd never experienced such a quick comfortability around someone coupled with such an intense butterflies. Babe, thank you for being so intentional in your season of singleness and pressing into Jesus to prepare for our life together. I've never experienced the love of Jesus so tangible and true by the way you have loved and cherished me. You have believed in me more than I have believed in myself and constantly remind me of the worth and treasure I am in Jesus and to you.
I am so grateful for today and what God is walking us into. I'm grateful that God took the time to perfectly prepare each of us for this relationship. And even though I needed 3 more years of preparation than you did, it's been worth every minute. Knowing now that He was walking me towards you this whole time, I would do it all again, twice over, anything to spend the rest of my life with you.
Thinking about our I do's today, I can't help but stop and remember the sweetness of the seasons we are moving out of, and now we have filled each of our buckets. I cherish every moment of getting to know you and love you more and more as each day passes. Knowing you is to love you, and I can't express the gratitude I feel that I am the one you have chosen to let fully know you.
I'm grateful for your gentleness, your radiant joy, your ability to see the light in every situation. I'm grateful that I am the one that gets to marry the most beautiful woman in the world. And I'm grateful God gave you a desire for me, because goodness, did He give me a desire for you. God lit a fire in me the moment I saw your passion to help others find their worth in Christ.
There's no better and more joyful feeling than when I see my beautiful baby doll so happy to be married to the man of her dreams. When I first saw you in your wedding dress today, I thought I was having another heart issue. As my heart skipped a beat, you took my breath away, and I was flooded with so many wonderful memories. As your dad watching his beautiful little baby daughter growing up before his eyes.
I'm praying for the Lord's heart, and I am committing to seek His face first, so that I can fully love and serve you, that I may have an abundance of love, joy, and peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control, knowing it is only by His power that I can be who He has called me to be as your wife. Eric Thomas Melvestead, I am overwhelmingly grateful to be the one who gets to call you mine as we walk hand in hand building the kingdom and walking towards eternity together. See you at the end of the aisle, babe. I love you all the bits. Forever your wife, Amanda.
My prayer for our marriage, babe, is that God continues to rely on us and build His kingdom and continually put more and more responsibility on our shoulders, that we would be a pillar of strength, holding up the roof and covering for our family and friends. I pray that even through the trials we will face in this life, we never lose the sight of gratitude we have for today. Now, I could start a list of all the things I promise to be for you, but really, babe, I promise to be anything you need me to be. God wired me to love serving you, Amanda, and I promise to never stop doing that. I'll see you out there. I love you. I love you all the bits, beautiful. Here.
Heard this beat in my dream.